Hello everyone, is your car not starting or randomly stalling while driving? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0689 ECM PCM power relay sense circuit low, it means your vehicle's power relay isn't supplying enough voltage to the engine control module or powertrain control module. In this video I'll explain what P0689 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0689 Trouble Code stands for ECM PCM Power Relay Sense Circuit Low. Your car's power relay ensures that the ECM PCM receives proper voltage. If the relay fails or if there's a wiring issue, the PCM detects low voltage and triggers P0689. This can cause starting issues, engine stalling, or even complete shutdown while driving. Common symptoms of P0689: check engine light on engine cranks but won't start, sudden engine stall while driving, reduced fuel efficiency, electrical system malfunctions. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0689, inspect these key components. ECM PCM power relay location. Inside the engine bay fuse relay box, usually near the battery or firewall. Function: regulates power supply to the ECM PCM. If it fails, the engine may not receive proper voltage. Powertrain Control Module or Engine Control Module location. Mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or inside the engine compartment. Function: receives power from the relay and controls engine functions. Power relay sense circuit wiring and connectors location. Runs between the power relay, PCM, and battery. Function: carries voltage signals to the ECM PCM. Damage or corrosion can cause P0689. Fuse box and related fuses location, usually in the engine bay near the battery. Function: protects the power circuit. A blown fuse could indicate a power relay issue. Common causes of P0689: faulty ECM PCM power relay. A damaged relay may not send enough power. Wiring harness damage. Broken or corroded wires can interrupt power flow. Blown or corroded fuse in the relay circuit. A fuse issue can prevent proper voltage delivery. Weak battery or charging system issues. Low voltage from the alternator or battery can trigger P0689. Faulty PCM ECM. If the control module fails, it might misread power signals. How to fix P0689? Step 1. Inspect and replace the power relay. Swap it with a working relay and check if the issue persists. Step 2. Check the wiring and connectors. Look for burns, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 3. Test the PCM power circuit. Use a multimeter to verify voltage readings. Step 4. Inspect the fuse box. Replace any blown or damaged fuses. Step 5. Check the battery and alternator output. Ensure they are supplying enough voltage. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0689 can lead to starting failures, stalling, and potential ECM PCM damage. Fixing it early will ensure a stable power supply to your vehicle's control modules. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0630, VIN, not programmed or mismatch. P0631, VIN not programmed or mismatch enhanced. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.